This NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Level 6 Enterprise Cockpit is a mature governance cockpit, not a simple dashboard. It converts AGI and AI intelligence into controlled, policy-validated, audit-ready enterprise decisions under the IGA 2026 architecture. Mature verdict: AGI and pure AI remain in the inform layer. They generate forecasts, RMSE signals, scenarios, and intelligence, but they do not hold authority. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, and RMSE, while the policy engine defines what is allowed, conditionally allowed, held, or blocked. Assure preserves audit evidence, accountability and institutional memory. This cockpit demonstrates the full transition from prediction to governed execution. It supports domain selection, linked policy selection, Analyzer 1.0 verdicts, RMSE stability, release gate control, scenario AVSB, Sankey governance flow, evidence upload, image/video proof, TDS narration and boardroom level explainability. Final mature verdict: this is an enterprise governance brain. AI produces intelligence, NeuroGov Plus governs whether it is safe to act, and Assure protects the evidence of every decision. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, powered by the IGA 2026 governance architecture, represents a major transformation in how organizations use artificial intelligence for real-world enterprise decision-making. Instead of allowing AI systems to operate without accountability, NeuroGov Plus introduces a governed intelligence framework where every prediction, recommendation, and operational action is evaluated through policy control, Analyzer 1.0 validation, and audit assurance. This architecture ensures that intelligence becomes trusted authority only after governance approval. The first phase of the framework begins with the inform layer, where enterprise data is captured from domains, APIs, ERP systems, IoT devices, uploaded files, and operational sources. KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, and contextual data are entered into the cockpit, creating a structured governance input foundation. This layer ensures that intelligence generation begins with measurable, policy-linked operational parameters rather than uncontrolled AI assumptions. The second step within Inform is AI/AGI processing, where NeuroGov Plus generates forecasts, RMSE calculations, scenario comparisons, trend projections, and operational intelligence. The system transforms raw enterprise data into multidimensional governed intelligence using the principles of the 3D, 10D AIDNN engine, cognitive cube. At this stage, AI remains purely an intelligence generator and does not possess authority to execute actions independently. The third step is policy mapping, one of the most critical differentiators of the IGA 2026 architecture. Here, governance rules, compliance policies, risk thresholds, domain regulations, ESG standards, ISO frameworks, RBI controls, and organizational decision boundaries are loaded into the system. Policy becomes the authority layer that defines what is acceptable within the enterprise. This creates the governance boundary between prediction and controlled execution. The architecture then enters the govern layer, where Analyzer 1.0 evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, and policy compliance together. Analyzer 1.0 functions as the governance intelligence engine that determines whether enterprise intelligence should be approved, conditioned, placed on hold, or blocked. Unlike traditional AI systems that only provide recommendations, NeuroGov Plus ensures that every output is evaluated through governed decision logic before action is authorized. The decision gate converts intelligence into governed enterprise authority. Based on Analyzer 1.0 evaluation, the system produces one of four controlled outcomes: allow, condition, hold, or block. This decision structure transforms AI from a passive analytical tool into a controlled governance framework capable of supporting enterprise-grade DSS, decision support systems, risk management, compliance operations, and strategic leadership decisions. After the governance decision is made, the framework transitions into the assure layer, where audit logging and evidence management become central components. Every decision is logged with time, context, user information, operational data, policy references, and audit trails, images, videos, documents, evidence files, and operational proof can be uploaded and linked directly into the cockpit, creating a complete evidence-backed governance ecosystem. The system then generates DSS recommendations and operational action guidance for management teams. NeuroGov Plus does not simply display data, it provides structured governance recommendations, risk alerts, improvement guidance, action prioritization, accountability tracking, and enterprise response mechanisms. This transforms the cockpit into an active governance assistant capable of supporting boards, CXOs, auditors, regulators, and operational leaders. The final stages of the process flow focus on action tracking and reporting. Once governed decisions are approved, action owners are assigned, timelines are tracked, evidence is monitored, and dashboards are updated in real time. Enterprise reporting, compliance visibility, export functionality, and stakeholder reporting ensure that the organization maintains full traceability from intelligence generation to final governed action. The result is a fully auditable enterprise governance lifecycle. One of the most powerful aspects of the NeuroGov Plus architecture is its ability to complete the entire governance cycle within approximately 8 to 12 minutes under a typical enterprise workflow. This rapid governance capability demonstrates how organizations can move from raw AI intelligence to controlled, compliant, evidence-backed decisions without sacrificing accountability, transparency, or audit readiness. Summary: NeuroGov Plus, IGA 2026, introduces a next-generation governed AI framework where intelligence generation, policy authority, decision control, and audit assurance operate together as a unified enterprise governance system. Through the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure architecture, organizations can safely transform AI predictions into accountable and traceable enterprise decisions. By integrating the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, Policy Engine, KPI Rightward Arrow TSI Rightward Arrow OSI Governance, RMSE Evaluation, DSS Guidance, and evidence-backed audit trails, NeuroGov Plus creates a complete governance-driven AI ecosystem for modern enterprises. Power Summary: Traditional AI generates predictions. NeuroGov Plus generates governed authority. In the IGA 2026 architecture, Inform creates intelligence. Govern validates authority. Assure proves accountability. Analyzer 1.0 becomes the enterprise decision brain, while the policy engine defines acceptable operational boundaries. Together, they transform AI from uncontrolled prediction into trusted, auditable, enterprise-grade governed intelligence capable of supporting finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, ESG, and government-scale decision systems. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 governance architecture. His work focuses on transforming artificial intelligence from prediction-centric systems into governed, explainable, auditable, and enterprise-ready decision intelligence platforms. Through the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure framework, Dr. Suri has introduced a governance-first AI methodology where AI generates intelligence, governance grants authority, and assurance provides accountability. His architectures integrate KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, policy engineering, DSS workflows, evidence management, audit readiness, and enterprise governance into a unified operational framework designed for finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, ESG, logistics, and government sectors. Dr. Suri's vision positions NeuroGov Plus and IGA 2026 as foundational frameworks for the future of governed AI, enabling organizations to build trusted, policy-controlled, transparent, and accountable AI ecosystems for the next generation of enterprise decision-making. AGI thinks. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates. Policy defines truth. NeuroGov Plus governs execution. Assure guarantees accountability. Intelligence never equals authority. Under IGA 2026, AI remains advisory in inform, governance decides in govern, and audit evidence is protected in assure. This is the shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable enterprise decision systems.